Now that's called extreme hydrophobic properties. In other words, your finish is rejecting water and it is sealed up like crazy. Now, unlike some little silica sprays that say ceramic, a true ceramic coating is something that lasts for years. Now you want to do the easy button, you want to do something that lasts for up to a year, that's crazy easy to apply, that makes it super, super easy to pressure wash off dirt, and it reduces the amount of towels it takes to dry it. Now, that is our ceramic spray coating. This is an extremely easy to use product. A few sprays into your microfiber applicator, you go ahead and knock out, boom, the painted areas. I want to make sure and do all the plastic. I want to do every part of the vehicle that I want to make easier to clean and shine better than the day it was born. Now this stuff's going to last, again, up to a year. Now you're probably wondering, how is this ceramic spray coating different than our ceramic paint coating? Now, the ceramic paint coating is thicker, it's more durable, it lasts definitely longer, and it takes significantly longer to apply and to remove. If you're the kind of person that enjoys touching your car regularly, this is the stuff you want. If you're the kind of person that likes to touch and protect your car once and try not to touch it for as many years as possible afterwards, well then that's going to be a proper full-on heavy-duty 9H ceramic coating. Now, what's the difference in shine? Zero. In removing it, taking a real light swipe across it, look how easy this stuff comes off. This is the easy button for people who are a little bit afraid of using a ceramic coating. I mean, I'm one-handing this and it comes off so easy, so easy. So, if you're afraid of ceramic coatings, I've heard about you having to sand it off. Not with our ceramic spray coating, not at all. This is going to be the easy button. This is intro to ceramics for you, and this is a product that'll knock your socks off.